Hey, hello everyone. Welcome to my channel and how to generate videos with the help of your images, prompt, and with the cinematic way of like creating your video content generation. So all you need to do is like to log in to the Google AI Studio with VEO2, and which gonna gives you how gonna generate those kind of realistic videos. I'm gonna show you how to do that. All you need to watch my video till end. So if you log into the Google AI Studio, you're gonna find a video generation on your top left hand side, chat and streams and video generation. I'm gonna cover the streaming and starter apps, but let's see how realistically this image is gonna create. So this man is dialing the rotary phone, and I have given a prompt so that he is desperate enough to dial and try to connect with someone which he wanted to share this information. So I choose VO2 and keep the number of frames is one. It has two aspect ratio. One is like cinematic 16 by 9 and portrait 19 by 16. And the duration is going to be 5 to 8 seconds. And the frame rate is been fixed here. But if you take the prime one, it's going to be changed. And you can write your negative prompt. So negative prompt is something like when you're creating video generation, some of the key things which you doesn't want it to be considered, then you can write it down the negative prompt in a proper prompt way. The reason it says like to write in a prompt, that you need to explain that which are the things which you needs to be eliminated. You can generate the videos with the images as well. So it's not only create your with the prompt, you can create with the videos as well. Let me show you how you can do it, like to create with the video. All you need to write, you can upload your images from your sample media, right, which has been there, which has been already been there by Google. Add the prompt to it, or else you can connect your drive or upload your images and try to add it and give the prompt as well. So you can create your image and ask that image to be generated once, and you can reset it to the defaults as well. And if you go here, this is a kind of like page. If you wanted to create a cinematic view of the lady who is traveling in a bus, and which is a close-up shot for her, and the day is going to be rainy day and cool blue tone and sad mood. So you can change with your generated output as well, and you can take your images and you can create a more realistic waterfalls. I, I think like that all you need to do like go and try to use VO2 with your imagination and create those content which you wanted to be create from the years, and use your imagination to do that. And one more good news, like the Oscar has said, like it's gonna considering the AI cinemas in their awards as well. That means like how good you are imagining. So now you can start becoming a director for your movie. And I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe and share to other people to see it and use it.